Hello everybody, and here I am with a new video. Tonight I would like to tell you about an accident I had some nights ago while I was experimenting with the Arduino and some dot matrix LED displays. It happens that a jump wires come into contact accidentally with these two components here and caused a short circuit. And immediately the power supply board was fried, and also all the 10 dot matrix LED displays was fried, and yeah, also the Arduino. So I was really disappointed about that because it was a really stupid accident that could be avoided, but okay, anyway. So the Arduino was completely damaged by the short circuit, and the chip and also the voltage regulator were damaged. So since I don't have the tools to replace them, I think that I will keep it on a bookshelf just to remind me to pay more attention with free wires. The same happens to the dot matrix LED board. That was completely damaged. Some of the chip are exploded. There is an hole on it, and since I don't have the tools to replace them, I will leave it there. So, but let's talk about the power supply board. This is an ZXY605-6S digital power supply board. I use this board for all my projects, so it is really precious for me. The problem were with these two components here that were completely destroyed during the short circuit, and the problem is that I didn't know which components are, so I have to do many. I have to spend many times on the internet to find out the scheme, and finally I find it out. Here is the scheme, and I discovered that these two components here are these two transistors, and are used to drive the power MOSFET that is here. So I have all of them on RS components, and yesterday night I replaced them, and I have resoldered in position the MOSFET, the power MOSFET, and here is the result. Okay, here it is. Everything is working as before. I'm very happy with this. So this game will be available to anybody in case it's required for troubleshooting your power supply board. Just write me on my YouTube page. So it is all for tonight. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.